Hello guys, welcome to Techno Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to clean the ADF feed roller in Canon C5030i photocopier. Cleaning the automatic document feeder ADF feed roller in a Canon photocopier is important to ensure smooth and reliable document feeding. Over time, dust, paper fibers, and other debris can accumulate on the feed roller, leading to feeding issues such as paper jams or misfeeds. Regular cleaning helps maintain optimal performance by preventing these obstructions and ensuring consistent document handling during the copying or scanning process. This maintenance step contributes to the longevity and efficiency of the Canon photocopier. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.